So let's see how many potholes are there using this live dashboard created by Aether. So I'm selecting the city, Bangalore.
You're the one who
Your father?
Let's see, it's loading. Let me change. Where do we type the address? Here, okay. Let me put in Marathali. M-A-R-A. So Marathali has come. Let me select it. So here you can see all the potholes in Marathali. This is Monique Kolal jogging lake. So you can see how many. It's not a road with potholes; it's full potholes.
Even the release date, as far as I know,
You can see
I'm
it.
reasonably confident. But
This
the
is
next update
KMF.
will be this.
But what here?
Sooner.
But you can see how many potholes are
Yeah,
there.
great.
Such a
There'll be
shame
an OTA
actually.
plus an app update as well.
So you can see this road, right?
Yeah.
It will be giving you live notifications back
Yeah.
to back.
Okay.
There are so many potholes.
It's not like a road with potholes. It's potholes road.
Do you know this road? Is that does
Yeah,
this
yeah.
road actually look like
It's
this?
somewhat like that only. This is the main road actually.
Right.
Marathali main road. It's connecting to Indranagar and all that.
Oh, that's way. Okay. Got
If
it,
you
got
go
it,
this
got
way,
it.
you'll get Indranagar. But the next road is this one. Such a bad. But yeah.
Oh,
it's-
isn't Indranagar? Shouldn't it be south or not south? Whatever.
okay, no. Actually, no. This is Indranagar road. Correct. HL Airport. road.
HL Airport is this
This
one,
yeah, yeah. This is towards airport
go
or
towards
Kalamandir.
Hebbal,
Yeah,
yeah,
Hebbal. Correct. So this is towards Konnali Gate. Yeah. But still, this is very bad actually. And you can tie up with government also, right? To BBMP or someone, and you
We
can
are
report them.
trying to share data with them. We are trying to sign MOUs where we are able to.
It'll be
give
good
them some of
actually.
this information and then
Yeah,
they
yeah.
can act on it how they wish.
That will be good actually.
So as you guys drive around, are you in? Yeah. So as you guys drive around, we do have sensors on the bike which capture some vehicle dynamics.
So this
And
will
then we
be
have some algorithms
this will be
that-
working with even 450X also. This
Yeah, for sure. So for you as a customer, every time you navigate, you after I think Gen 3 onwards, you will get an alert or in your navigation somehow you will be able
in
to
a
get this
display
information
somewhere.
about-
Very nice feature.
Actually, there's a demo there on
Okay.
how you can experience it as a user. On
I'll,
this scooter.
yeah, I'll check it. Thank you.
Yeah, that would be different. Yeah.
So right now, how are you giving the notification here? Like
Yeah, we're giving the notification.
oh, like this. Okay. Bad road. Okay. But you have to keep giving this right in our
whenever-
Bangalore roads.
Yeah. That's
It will be spamming that full.
that's why it doesn't give the notification for each and every pothole. It gives
Okay.
the notification for a whole patch of road which has
Okay.
multiple.
Like maybe like 500 meters
Yeah,
at a time,
yeah,
something like
yeah.
that. Okay. Very good feature, but like next thing you need to do is like I was telling them, you have to connect with BBMP, make this fix also something.
Okay. Yeah.
And maybe you can show that live counter also, like how we are showing carbon credits right with Aether. Maybe you can show this also
Yeah.
using this feature, how much potholes are getting reduced.
Yeah.
Maybe like that you can. It'll be good. Nice feature. But.